The Su-34 radar can track 10 air targets and engage 4 ground targets simultaneously, with a 250-kilometer detection range for large surface targets. Its electro-optical targeting pod provides laser designation and thermal imaging for night operations. What makes this aircraft truly terrifying is its absolutely devastating arsenal. We'll delve into each weapon system, detailing their explosive power, TNT equivalents, and destructive capabilities. Let's start with its defensive air-to-air capabilities. While primarily a strike aircraft, the Fullback carries formidable defensive armament. The R-73 Archer short-range missile, weighing 105 kilograms with 3.5 kilograms of TNT, offers a 30-kilometer range and exceptional maneuverability. The Su-34 also has a rear-facing radar, which allows it to fire R-73 missiles at pursuing aircraft without needing to turn around. For beyond visual range engagements, it carries up to 6 R-77 Adder missiles. Each 175-kilogram R-77 carries 12 kilograms of TNT, with active radar guidance and a maximum range of 110 kilometers. Now, for its ground attack arsenal, beginning with the terrifying KH-38 series missiles. The laser-guided KH-38ML weighs 520 kilograms and boasts a 152-kilogram TNT equivalent warhead, capable of penetrating 84 millimeters of armor. With a 40-kilometer range and speeds up to Mach 2.2, it can obliterate fortified bunkers and armored vehicles from safe distances. The KH-29 family provides medium-range precision strike. The laser-guided KH-29L weighs 657 kilograms with a devastating 200 kilograms of TNT. Designed for hardened targets like bunkers and bridges, the thermal-guided KH-29L offers fire-and-forget capability. For longer-range strikes, the Su-34 uses the KH-59 cruise missile family. The KH-59 weighs 930 kilograms and carries 400 kilograms of TNT. With a range of up to 115 kilometers, this subsonic cruise missile can strike with pinpoint accuracy. Among its most feared weapons are the Fab 500 series general-purpose bombs. Each Fab 500 weighs 500 kilograms and contains 300 kilograms of TNT, creating a lethal blast radius of 250 meters. With UMPK guidance kits, these become precision glide bombs, striking targets up to 60 kilometers away. The Su-34 can also carry massive Fab 1500 bombs, each weighing 1,500 kilograms with over 1,000 kilograms of TNT, designed to destroy heavily fortified targets and create 40-meter craters. For anti-ship missions, the Su-34 carries the formidable KH-31, a supersonic anti-ship missile. Weighing 610 kilograms with a 94-kilogram warhead, it reaches Mach 3.5 with a 103-kilometer range. Its tremendous kinetic energy and sea-skimming profile make it extremely difficult to intercept, capable of destroying vessels up to destroyer size. The Su-34's internal cannon provides close-range firepower with 180 rounds. The aircraft's defensive systems are equally impressive. The Khibiny electronic warfare system is designed to confuse enemy radar by creating false targets and preventing missile lock. It also has chaff dispensers to confuse radar-guided missiles and flares to confuse heat-seeking missiles. The Su-34 Fullback is designed for total battlefield dominance. It's one of the most versatile and deadly strike platforms ever built. Its combination of fighter agility, bomber payload, and precision targeting creates a weapon that can adapt to any mission. Thanks for watching Gunner Heat Tank.